Central Philippines, pati din po ang ilo-launch ng ating DOT Central Office na mga bagong programa. It is with our great pleasure to welcome you to the Central Philippines Tourism Expo 2026 here at the Ayala Malls, Nuvali, Santa Rosa City, Laguna. Today, we celebrate the beauty, culture, heritage, and vibrant tourism offerings of Central Philippines under the theme Enchanting, Timeless, and Magical. This theme embodies the essence of our destination, places where breathtaking landscape, rich tradition, warm hospitality, and unforgettable experiences come together to create lifelong memories. This expo brings together tourism stakeholders and destinations from Central Philippines cluster comprising Calabarzon, Mimaropa, Bicol region, Western Visaya, Eastern Visaya, Central Visaya, and Negros Island region. Through this collective participation, we showcase the diversity and richness of our tourism products, highlighting unique attraction, cultures, cuisine, festival, and experiences that each region has to offer. We are honored by the participation and support of our fellow Department of Tourism regional offices from outside the Central Philippines cluster. Their presence enriches this gathering and reflects the spirit of unity, collaboration, and shared commitment among all tourism regions in promoting the Philippines as a premier destination. Together, we demonstrate that while each region possesses its own unique identity and charm, we are united in presenting the best of the Philippines to both domestic and international travelers. As we open this expo, we invited visitor, industry partners, stakeholders, and tourism enthusiasts to discover the hidden gem and world-renowned attractions found within our participating regions. From pristine beaches and historical landmarks to colorful festival, unique local products, each exhibit showcase the enduring charm and magical experience that await every travelers. May this event strengthen partnership among our regional offices and tourism stakeholders, promote sustainable tourism, empower local communities, and inspire more people to explore the wonder of our country. Let us continue working together to preserve our cultural treasure and natural heritage for future generations while fostering inclusive growth through our destination. On behalf of the organizer, participating exhibitor, regional offices, and tourism partners, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to everyone who made this event possible. Your support and commitment play a vital role in advancing Philippine tourism. May this expo be a meaningful platform to learn, collaborate, and discover. Let us celebrate the enchanting, timeless, and magical spirit of Central Philippines, while embracing the diversity and collective strength of all Philippine regions represented here today. I am delighted to officially announce the opening of the Central Philippines Expo 2026 with great pride and optimism. We be part of the journey to explore, connect, and celebrate. Maraming pong salamat at magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat.